Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Yesterday, I told you about pronouns. What are pronouns, and what is the use of pronouns? And in that, I told you that pronouns are the words that are used at the place of nouns, and these pronouns they replace nouns, and we use pronouns at the place of nouns to avoid the repetition of nouns and for the ease of reading and writing. Also, I told you about kinds of pronoun. The first one I told you about personal pronouns. In that, I told you that there are three persons in pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. In which I told you that first person pronouns subjects they are I and we, and their objects I object me and we object us. And I also told that second person pronouns they are you is the second person pronoun and the object is also you. And then I told you that third person pronoun there are four subjects: he, she, it, and they. And his object him, she object her, it object it, and they object them. So up to here I told you. I hope it was clear to you, and most of you did solve the exercises related to this. And now, today I am going to tell you about the next kind of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. So first of all, we need to understand what do we mean by possessive. Possessive means something that someone possesses. Possess means something that belongs to someone. For example, if I say this is Aman's car, if I say Aman's car, it means the car belonging to Aman. Means this is the owner of the car is Aman. Means the car is possessed by Aman. So if something belongs to someone, that becomes the possession of that particular one. So we can say that something that is belonging to somebody is comes under the category of possessive. That is the possession of that particular one. Now possessive pronouns are what we know that we already have read about possessive nouns. For example, you see in the following sentences here, you can see here some sentences are given. Aman is a good boy, and then it is written the next sentence, Ravi is Aman's friend. Ravi is Aman's friend. And in the next sentence you see this is written, this is Aman's house. Aman's house means Aman is the owner of the house. Aman possesses this house. So Aman's house. Be in the nouns we add apostrophe s and make up possessives like Aman and apostrophe s. You can see. So becomes the possessive. Now what do we do in pronouns for the possessions? In pronouns for the possessions we have something else. We have especially the possessive pronouns. For example, if we take the example of Aman, then Aman is a boy, and we know Aman is a male, and for males we use pronoun he, and for he the possessive is his. Possessive pronoun for he subject is his. So for Aman, if we need to use a possessive pronoun, we need to use his. So here you can see I have done what, like it is written Ravi is Aman's friend. So we can also write it Ravi is his friend. Then Aman's is replaced with this his, because for Aman the possessive case will be his. And in the same way, if you see the next sentence, this is Aman's house. For Aman's house we have written this is his house. So this his word, this his, it is called possessive pronoun. Aman's, it is possessive noun. Aman, when we add apostrophe s in Aman, it becomes a possessive noun. And when we think of the which pronoun we use for Aman, we use he. and for he the possessive pronoun is his. So we are using this his for Aman's. This is clear to you. In the next example, I gave the example Sarla is a good girl. This is Sarla's mother. So as there was a pronoun for there is a pronoun for Aman, it was his. For Sarla we will use her. So Sarla is a good girl, and this is her mother. This is her mother. So in this way it is clear to you, I think. Now let's see what are the possessive pronouns for different nouns. Here you can see I have given you something. Here it is written. Now you can see pronouns and the possessive pronoun. The first person pronouns, first person pronouns, they are I and we. So I's possessive pronoun will be mine, and we's pronouns possessive pronoun will be ours, and you is the second person pronoun. For you the possessive pronoun, it would be, for you the possessive pronoun would be yours. For he the possessive pronoun would be his, and for she it is hers. It is written there. And for it will be its, and they it will be theirs. So if we need to use possessive pronoun for the nouns, then we need to keep in mind, and we need to learn this, that the possessive pronoun for I is mine, possessive pronoun for we is ours, possessive pronoun for you is yours, possessive pronoun for he is his, possessive pronoun for she is hers, possessive pronoun for it is its, and possessive pronoun for they is theirs. So I hope it is clear to you. So these are the possessive pronouns, and we can use in the sentences. We can use in the different kind of sentences these possessive pronoun. If we need to use possessive pronoun for I, so what we will use? We will use mine. If we need to use for we, then we need to use ours. If we need to use for you, then it is yours. If I give you one example, this car is Aman's. For Aman we use his, so we can say this car is his. Okay, and if I say this car belong to me, so this car is mine. This car belong to us, then this car is ours. This car belong to you, means this car is yours. This car is belong to, suppose that I say Reena, so this car is hers. For Reena we use she, and for she the possessive pronoun is hers. Okay. If this car belong to them, it means this car is theirs. So in this way we can use possessive pronouns in the different sentences, and these are the possessive pronouns. I hope the possessive pronouns are clear to you, and now you can use them in your sentences. So on the basis of this, you can solve the exercise number 2 and 3 in your grammar book. Thank you. If any doubt, you can ask me in the doubt session. All right. Okay. Okay, bye. Take care.